Abusia form kwa babra so se de nkotwetwen no omamu de ebrem sisi ye yenuanom mienu animonyamfo omodo ho abo afode ama oban Ghana honorable Emmanuel Chematin Jako nyame ne na wo ho honorable MP ayo so West Wogon honorable kane FDB isi ya na FDA no na oda no abo adwuma wo mamu na ne wasoma de kwa kodru parliament nso so minim se da bi MPP co primaries na odno ho bekwa kwagima honorable akwaba boko de
Mr. Robert Pastor Meshabi anopayo
some say da chimbi
obi nim trasem
so do parliament na akwa ni man no honorable Vincent Opoa Samoa MP Doma West osanso ye deputy minister youth and sports me so ye emrante organa ye hene no na ebeji akire na wase honorable akwaba apomboko de constituency to say okay. And then asam kese pa ewumu no ene na no yenuanom MPP fo aba omokoto ye na honorable mesha safety so honorable Jakuma safety wa kachimu na sada na mo expect na mo pese ban no amanfo sada na mo nim se beba sada da ena abasa anso so 94 point bibi de emu oduo
no krepa
so that means say you need faction bia say amanfo say faction woman you need faction bia wana
yo me da se what tonsa afremi aba opampa so de to so me no mefa kwanya so achia ahwefo ni titru ne kase pa me mpeso asofo aya waso weso gona de hia me party a me dom MPP de me ko gina kono omu hwe to aba ma me de bia me kase election de a choice de ope eno ye na omu hwe ya omu yie mi a omu to aba ma me do mase me broni be kase I don't take it for granted me mu na jeje mu kra me do mase bebre adwuma mu de ahye nsa no ye ho adwuma omansi kasema aban wo ho a ye de omansi kasema hwe ne nsa e na ohu sikasem no so hwe enti na ne mamu aye dene no na yensiri nyame se emre pamra e ma ye nyina maka we awie no na me de congratulations boy kan say
so say abasobo emu adene kase pa e ma amanyoko MPP eye me say ya ade bi a omamu ha obi antimi nye bi da say ye free ase efree ye police station police station our omamu ha 26,022 ya to aba police station bia 5-member police station executive ye wie ya to aba constituency executives the big kind no ye electoral area coordinators bibi o friend electoral area coordinator ye cluster and I say ye boaboa police station for na no into mo boaboa na mo ye na kuaku
na ye 6,000 electoral area coordinators ye call ye akoyi 275 constituencies ye 16-member constituency executive e kamia ye se akabe ye mienu ana miensa bi entiase ama at the local level yakwa akoyi regional executive akoyi national executive na onyame ye yadom ye nhihye mu no ye mrapon nhihye mu no ye bi free by August da etwato ye bibi ye friend no super delegate ema ya bakosam kire ye bibi se enam se ye Democratic Party yensi obi a ho kwan obi a na dwene ye ne se onyame afre no party for penu se obeba betu franka amayen no otimi ba but emre bi etwa mu no ye bibi a eye me se anko ye amaye papa na yesua ade free ade a ye anko ye enti no ye constitutional amendment ka se e basa na ye betwa so kwan bia your friend super delegates nyina ye e ma ye hu
what kind reference to SAR 17
dun son bi asem bi no e ma Saturday twa mu ye de ase ye ade a ye nyina obeka se ye sidan
pompon so
no ne duru ye na eye aba ye koto eyi de de franka no be hye ne nsem na min kama masem nwa na yenim se eyi nipa miensa na ye koto ye no ehun susanso na ye hunu me amegira manemu nipa miensa na o moto aba ne nyina mabo mabaso na ni titru mebo ye wura ni onyamfo na nado dankwa akufo ado abaso bebre aba ye koto yi etode bia ansa na ye koto ni atete ho nsem me ye sure se obia ohun onim fom na soda fom na wabue nani no na onim se aba ye koto yi se ne etie biara na ye wura adodankwa akufo ado ene dikane
done deal. Na ye done deal.
Yes. Na se ni etie bia se abano de. Unya 50+1 wa wene. What you say? Na ayem se akini eje bia ni ho se ye de ko chihye so a. Obedi nkonim. Na akini eje bia ni ho. Na mmom na se ebeko sei anase ebeko sei no. Ena na ayem se etore bia na echineje aba ho kakra na so de party asia hene omo a party ne ye omo de apreko pe no memni de twam yi omo kasa amana gigimu dindindini pao se ye amanyoko New Patriotic Party de ye tanachi preko pe ene nanado danko akufado sa abatwe anase result at least ya yamanyokuo mu de a ye ba 4th Republic abatuo mu ebi sida
beka say emphatic
broni beka say emphatic eye emphatic anopai mitie ye wura bia o kana nanado ho dendendene pa no no kra dwene se o se o mo amu susue mu de na o ma bu se ye ko ye super delegate no party for ma mo be 80% enti no ko animu no se nka o mu nya 85% it would have been a very good achievement but wait there 94 yo mi bubu mu a ayese nipa du so ebi amede beto bi atwa mo ho a 90 kai say 2007 ye no it was a split again na go say
47.9 na bibisa we nya 50
no na say ofa nipa du a na be emu more than enum asi yempene so enso so yenya hu nyansa ne adoye ka se enya hwe ye enko de to so mienu 2010 ayekoye no se ufa mu onya 79% eno kire se ufa nipa dua enipa be mienu ka se yempre so na we ayekoye de ufa mu edua enipa bia ni wa o ka se ompene so efi se 6% reduce na enye nipa ba akompo progression and answer nkankwa wakoro
yese ohurihuri
akodrum pomponso bia me de eya me de
okay nti yese yemfa de say nanado gia party no gine tumu no enyini every 2007 no akosoro saa kwakudu bia fekura de
ubeka say unanimous
obia ni question e bisa ne say saa obia preso no obia gia tumu no ebetimi na kwa ko gina bia enti no opre apena na enu be ya no but jiwa home kakra na unu aso so ebe ka mo say 1441 nkomo ti say die da pono so aye adwene ho sesi ane na no honorable Vincent Opon Asamwa nana wins big osina na Wallops Alan Chronicle no baby bebre ba ko Fred Sembu enquire osina na wins obi a can be nanado again utie no hwe say now when need e oh sir
another things doing my head and
but say both e kwa me de utie bi kakra
oh Adekye Nsroma no na me
colleague hey utimi dem Adekye
oh Adekye Nsroma me colleague be frame be say me say how did it go na me say oh me am enti say on bit benya Finlandia ma me
ana utimi da wa misa ho asem kra
oh I don't think so. I had other things doing. I'm not fine with you because the idea I make us say I had to say Eritrea ne German national team ko
okay
no him say then obe when it me no say figures na na but goals no dey na enya dey say here because I knew say Nanado was going to win the edikanum say papa wakasa fa ne constituency ho pa mama nka binche do ma west me ka say constituency a omo ha adwene kura omo homo mp adwene kura ba ko ani me constituency yes kakra bi abenya mo bia no mani so yes nti mama fa sa kwanya we so
ompo asem ho
ompo asem we ni me ka so ompo asem na me boa omo do me
so ompo asem
enya asem ketwa omo anim de na wo mo so ye betima ya mo mo ntino omo do me pa na me fa kwan we so na me nchia me ma hene osaje force ade ya adwuma badu no mama hene mate se nana fimedwa ben no mama hene ma so otu kwan akra mate so aba nti ana mana kwa ba
wa kan de men ka bi mfa ho se okoto nana wo quarter ye ka dignity a nya bi obi atia kan kire me ankasa ye mahunu no ya na efe papa enti na mato ne nkra pen record court mi fi ho wie na meto ne nkra
mama mo yefe pa yeah chike me santo ko on se me kan me dikan kan se akwa de se Brazil ne Eritrea na se Burundi ekobobo na mi ne se kwan bia so ana nipa na wo hwa Brazil na se Germany dia no so no already was we are start e wo kwan bebre so to aba wie ye in 2012 elections any election petition na buy no ye mu bibi ya na ye call radio so ne ye ka say Nanado court no de call no anya se bia wonim se wa woni aba no na momo call for the future the future friends say in politics
so be obesa
me anya kwan ase a contest biom
wodin no call court
anu antia ye mo be
ani bre ne ade a enhyehyɛ da hyehyɛ ne ma
Nanado is meant to become a president
do say call ho no
kwan bia so na do say president as wo di nti kwan bia so ne say Ghana for be sumukura for 1 year kura na he doesn't care some of us no we said it say or the honorable me ka say politician bia no o kwa we wadwen say ube win yes I desire attitude na na wona na do susu oh minim sa na the make us na say court no call ye no mimi say uba me constituency a me wo one police station bi Adokrom samra o mo de krata na ba ye say niema bi course nti o mo de aka sa police station sa o mo kan ho asem no sabi ye nua no mo MPP fo na wo ho na ebi be kan say ho ka ho party a na che say you know mo de court o mini say ade papa bi anim
really
because me catch now because bebre no wa MPP for no at the police station bebre no they were surprised so because police station bi mo mention here because mo yan said niema esi course so abatuo no ne mu ken kan no na eventually they buy no na bebre no they were really surprised
into estimation
in my estimation no na omotena say adwene hu say omotimi imprinting the minds of MPP for no say Nanado one but obi ne chinchim ne sajiri fi ne semwa ebe man some added advantage in the next year so you know against obesan contest here it me to me no that was the bottom line the entire mo sign the issue no court no no because who obi a sabi wakwa battle na yesisi no wa wini o ni yesisi no na oti ho na so obi be fringe afi na ba be market na kwa be so na beto dia ma say nipa na ono ba no anya de so beto ama no because obi anim say sabi ball your boy in ye and I think we winning na referee eje penalty run penalty di tua no and the man lose ayi no enti no say o sabe bobie mu a that is a better chance of winning than obi afi ne buy introduce no enti from the Supreme Court ayi no ano or me printing the minds of omun for say enti I'm not surprised say omu na omu di Alan Achin bebre no omo turn eventually against him because who mean him say we have a candidate what you can win any area no until no the next time be no gina be more it's likely he's going to win. It's only a one. And now we share the timetable of omo elections now. It got to a time cry people is other among be mukakrama intimi any amount for interact with the grassroots. And I call to you say no way. Was say your two abanishes here. No more no nya me na make am. Or more no mu contest be bring about out because say o man enough time to reach out to or more your friends at the grassroots.
But on a bueno na fair. Because we na ye ma omo brekro. We na na timetable ma.
I understand it. And I make us say no be can we start. Starting it you be that because for the past best 4 or 5 years there's no other name than Nanado in MPP. Because you two are 2012. Sabi, you say in a court. You free court you buy and almost starting in another same buy. Until for you two Bama no your bear Faber and no best the past 4 years and idea. Nanado is always in the news. And Nimo de say on Nana or buy about parliament a month for Brady Monica. And Alan Sudu be any say. Ono ya no a part-time politician edu e bia na that say ono edu e bia na atwe ne ho akwa but I say that is the way I think the politics should be handled. Our entire life me some of us I don't say me into politics munche because we can't just say ultimatum now be everything about you is politics. Every day we eat and drink and everything about your life is politics. How can we continue this way? So on my to abama krompa we need peace of mind so be concentrate on or core function debiano you be more you do attempt at politics na radio so I don't think say we have it anywhere in this world. Say politics just say throughout your life politics in Ghana also here. I'm say Ghana the I'm say even in Africa kwam just say one we be the kind politics are here no it to me no Nanado we are starting no. But Mami Esan congratulate you Malis for the peaceful way almost say conducted many say incident BSC the beauty of democracy. Me I know say MPP or that more that spirit and all the other political parties in the country it grow if it comes to democracy party yeah, but when you have a cochrane, at times why don't we agree on this? And then we go by it. There's so much stability within NDC. And I think the major opposition party, which is MPP, almost say BBC I think it's good for our democracy. And let me congratulate you.
Now a question about when Bisa Umia maybe Bisa will be in say heightening support a better translating into winning 2016 election na question and say yes say 94 the say I say more close or more ranks no into question maybe say also your politician in Francis Arthur new Achimota or say MPP fo nyina me bomba baso papa na no the fefa mokoya moto aba Peterson Nanado you are the best Nanado victory or say a best party na momakwa ku win 2016 Nanado aba be the next president and na Erica or Accra Newtown Ediaba or say NDC okay Angua Takrade or say NDC man no or say waka say ye pa obo modern okay Angua Takrade no tiki pacho okay we dey breast cancer ho asem no ntia dey no besi ase answer honorable 2016 heightening support more close more ranks say em fa de sa e be sesa e de bibi fufuru bi abre MPP ana
yo answer na me say mo no Pacho mama reacted to Nema back.
I don't know count submission no.
Dedi kan say Yura Honorable Deputy Minister Betra ha akase court aye de call ye no na eye Akufo-Addo or president dey and to keep himself in view. And me no sabita frache eye me say minister kasa na one can ye. But
what is asem over and over?
Oh, na any dey say for purposes of politics. Tiki, you call court. in some of the instances 5 out of the 4 judges can say at least abani yenko to you and yet the summation of all the and the choir 4 and you know say it's like 4 Supreme Court and in some instances 5 of the Supreme Court judges as some of kind I think it is unfortunate me ya call yeah
I just want to be too too honorable.
Oh, not necessarily on okay, and I say Obika. Now, I think he's not being fair to the facts. So in some Muna kind and I withdraw it.
Okay.
Now he's not being fair to the facts. Respectfully, me pacho need you swallow. I walk as I attempted to come in. Yet also you know. I think, sir, na me no. Akufa do victory. Say me as a me akwada say bi omo. But me as a politician, at least it me share BBF. Oh, and answer my answer na make no me nka say anye bia no kra yen MPP for there. Say NDC for e no menhua hwe free there court kan ye na. Yen MPP for. Hwe niam bebre free mo. Say no. The direction of the court is some of the things we talked about. Overvoting. Court determines say your court na say me peso so ha baby nipa 1000 and a toaba. Na say ye nyina ye nim say nipa 600 na beta line toaba. And so ye bekan aba no na 990 and a woman. Court say ye kan.
There be.
Oh,
the court.
Court see any overvoting.
But when say court can say.
Oh, papa.
When say that was the court's position.
Well, yeah, they me tell you no.
Because lawyer, yeah, because examples now, and I say piece of evidence how they buy. The court's view no say enchire overvoting. Baby o ha. But we yet make us say, oh baby, I am sure she answer no. A instance of overvoting court say there I disagree.
I see a bro so. The case was that say a bro so say a court in the direction say cobro so say 1000 and now you got 2033 and you overvoting but no your friend no staffing and baby but me no and American at least you know nyina no you should be free more going on into the next election no say no we will all go according to the direction of the court very clearly no anya bia no the court has clearly determined say at the election no you winning a polling station
but once most start no munu no NDC for no cry kind that said they knew that position already
yo and they say anya bia
okay
anya bia no e bia ne de na you name said there will be a recourse
okay
but they say no it has become evident say at the no I no one taking crying what you say and you know e bia mo no de no mo nim bibi dada ya de ni enim anya bia no yakwa kosua bibi e ya mayen and I am say absolutely wrong say obi be attribution say na obi
President said you in
any case for him to sit here and say Nanado dear why not say by all means opposite the president now that means no yana say by all means opposite the president why politician ben me wrote here contest Doma West no or no onye na say by all means opposite the MP and I say at the end of we are could free na kumem say opinion or jipin say obe contest the election we only go to elections to win no okoze okodiagro okozo okobonkro na nti akufo adoa wasom oman yi efri honom no oye politics say okobonkro oye politics say fefe na efenti na oya na
so that even if the designers obey mpa
enti na yedai enti ka onye say oye politics na say enka eye fefe na efe. The only reason why political parties are formed is to win power.
Ultimately.
The only reason why I am a politician is to win power because me feel listen me bibi papa bi wo me mu a onyame ya adom na sem tumi kutamia metibi de aye bibi aboa oman and you know President John Mahama ada onya na gene sese ne etie bia obegwene ofa e kasa no bi o wa ense emfata going on. Absolutely. I even think that you should withdraw the fact that Akufo-Addo no why Nigeria say by all means obe win power. It is wrong to say that.
Okay.
Honorable.
Sir, if you allow me.
But what would you be say no abem.
Okay. So you didn't come with the bill why it made to Musa. You besides say a chance say more close more ranks. A chance say more focused.
Me say me. Dear abatuo ehun sunsun so yi. Aye clear evidence say we ye dwuma ukun ho a party for they recognize it. Now I think that it shows over and over and over. Maybe to me can't be party mo there, but maybe DM. Persistent pace. Persistence.
So I did not do what you say.
No, no, what you say me person me ye. Sure. You 2008 elections. Akufo-Addo any the team. Omo yo imagine say this is not the end for us. Minim kra no at least na mia me nua nim po amedi na chika ho. Nkufo yi ebonsrahwe they must me brother he must have traveled 4 or 5 times around this country.
Honorable Buacheja.
Juma kept touch base. Into no you call 2010 elections na papa no nya asa no me de anya me nwanwa e fi se wan kwati ana owie ya no wan kwati ana oye adwuma he kept up with it na nipa ho adwuma so de the more you go to them sabi tafrache on pewasem kra na se de bia o mira it say baba besrawo said ye tie bia no
obi wadwen bane
absolutely
nti the question is
nti no yes so na aye from 2012 to now ye nti no me no me de na minim se ye tie bia obedi nkunim na mmom se ne nkunim die no asi adane ede no me de ekwan mie no so ubisa no wo kwahia ubisa na fi na me ma ho
okay
ekwan mie no
so 2 minutes out be yes na eba unia
say a party ni nyina ka omo ho abom na me kirekire me say first no beka say nipa uyi nipa dua nipa mienu mpene so say ayese obia pene so anti ebema party mu adwuma no ye no ayemre say no 94% statisticians omo confidence intervals say virtually everybody in the party is saying babia ye ginani me hunu say se party si ehne determine we a said the mempene so
TNT ni podwa no biem
ntibio
obi antwe se
ya to so mienu nipa ye de no braga na for se mon to abama no ye ka kire mo se ye nyanara as a party ye tare nipa ba ko yachi ya ye ba ko ya ka ye ho abom nchichemu bia ne emu mempre me twi wa bia ne emu omo a tore bia na MPP asama ba na omo de ayetwa pia homa no ekeka na we free na shanti mafia na achimwe aya me say result aya clear enough to say ye munchicheye
enti ebe impact on 2016
media me feel say
okay
nipa awode no kono efia ukodi hene kra efia ye de kratch bi ko se ye sramo abato ayadesre eye adebisa ye ko bisa no ye de one voice ya kabom sre Ghana for se ye wrai ye tanachi
enti mugidie ne se 2016 there very different from 10 and 8
ebeye soronko kra
do ahome honorable Vincent Oponsamoa honorable
chike
more close to more ranks focused ya koto aba a grow support no grow every 47 ho ba bia fi na ehuri do 70 79 ko 80 afi di hu an said 94 sometime bomu shake
chike mame I'm say a quick reaction doc can say me draw mistake I say me start on started some maybe and me brother say omadi call a Supreme Court in India man to me busame ana ehun hia kra Supreme Court na ekoye no and me na me can say nanado yes because of say on the political future into this argument. I
don't know say comment say politician be
no please the
point he made was that he by all means wants to be president.
Me so now the person me change na say me can say we na me can say what the Ghana for go through this tortuous moments. Yeah, Drew baby na nipa obi akwa the future of this country. Supreme Court there.
But at least results no my ehunu say bibi wo ho ana.
Results no mo akwampo no.
And it's history for us.
Omo route omo ina akwampo no. They didn't even accept it. Baby no say baba can just omo there. So we feel say yes enko mo weni ade no. Enti no all can say ya bi no mo kra support wo ma unity no. And na mo masua ade no. Would you put us through this? Now would you asua bibi? Look at what the student did at the Supreme Court there. Which one you was a master of our electoral process. He was a master.
Absolutely.
Yeah, yes. He taught you a lot of lessons. Our Supreme Court na your friend say he said the lawyer for me be crop. Near baby na he started as a polling agent.
But the posture say the posture say ya to abawi a obi say we no. Mo any MPP for times no. What take is post? If this time round no.
But not to the extent we went through.
Someone and now there's
they are no case. They say Akufo-Addo political future and will put you through all those, you know. And I stand by that. Because I thought was you would like to be the president. I stand by it. I wouldn't want to withdraw it. Okay. That's my opinion.
But I'm not for a politician, no. Bad.
What is wrong with
it? It is over to Ghanaians to judge. Said decision now Nana Akufo-Addo take if it was right or wrong, and that to be shown in 2016 elections. Say for all 1 year, so much uncertainties, and now even you na say home. Near culture say this is a bad administration you go through. Nina no so they be wo. It's no make within your own party there. You can do it. Now, Oma please you. What you feel? I'll bet me a dance. Now, me sa. Omania Geno Mose say you are a very good dancer. But you go out there. Now, only a mafu kushana mo kosa no do say wasa na osana ya na say nyasa papa. It me media in their own party, you know. Oma show so much, so clear. He say almost support Nanado. Fine. But Omo fan
emphasis signal biama.
Not at all.
At all.
I don't even think say John Dramani. About a contest John Dramani Mahama.
Yeah.
Which I think say deep within me, nobody is even going to contest him. It is that kind of dissenting that you grapple within the party. Say, now say Professor Amos say. What was the percentage?
Smoothness level. But
he told you even to the extent to which your friend say Professor Amos when you say.
President let me cast M3 no.
It were no nyaye. Enti no me we yes I boy your full switch na ani dia ba say no. Me three so my dey within their own party. But omo for mo on fanam ramisia Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Enti me mo dey to me within their own party have done well, but as to whether the floating voters will buy him this time round, that is another issue.
So the issue is floating voters now.
Oh, but me I know say now which is NDC for
sometimes you better this month for so MPP kura ni mu achiche. And that mu achiche because
2012 na division be any MPP mo.
Na division be any.
Na division be any. Oba a year, omo to abani we and Oba me constituency for instance. We all knew say most of them no support your friends say Alan. But you do campaign no, they all close their ranks. Omo campaign they so mo ye bi omo ye. It mean why they are so happy say and MPP for say the job to my NDC because I say Alan and winning. It didn't happen. And sister obi aso nim say party bi be woni a ye obi mo ho a ubusa no since 92 when jira ho ma party bi ada o hwe the situation na ekoso anu ada no ato ama we
it to happen
otumi ko ane o china ko wa but the core MPP supporters and the core ND supporters in there you jina bi jina enti me why say because of this internal ever ma MPP any political advantage because 90 something percent even 100% kura na no, ND supporters, do we care about Nanado getting 100%? I don't think say we remember NDC in Libya about MP because
but for a
MPP
politician or key competitor, dear, say you care about choir of Faso or Moya Nema.
Do you know
so who say Omar Kamuhua, it's enough message for you.
Do you know something? When you were in government, now say, who you on your if you are doing your things right there, meanwhile, you don't have to even mind the opposition. Just go ahead and do things right. At the end of it, no matter better. Now, who can say, Obia Utubika, but do a bina was done or any show that say, the Oban or Yabeni, and as I say, you end up even losing concentration, which means what you are supposed to do. And you know, what we have to do as a government is to remain focused and mandate our government, Ghana for their mind. You better execute the mandate and execute it very well. And 2016, it will be a matter of course. I don't think anybody is even going to contest. It's selling John Dramani Maman will be able to 1%. Niakasu 1% and yeah, Crampo Cabo Mono Dosus MPP. That is not even going to happen.
In your estimation, also a done deal. 2016 done deal.
Maybe there can make constituency any other places. So last 60%. So less than 70%. I'll be surprised. I'm telling you.
I see.
Because I've delivered. Me, I'm doing what I'm supposed to do as MP, and I've done it. I've done it. And Obi Ayana all over the place. Obi Ayabo first, second one, it's true.
But so can I say they are Professor Mills.
No. Professor Mills, the value is not the same.
Value is the
same. Somebody who was the vice president, Obiano a vice president, and he was in government. Is the value the same? They can just compare it. Oh, Nanado was a foreign minister. We was a vice president. We are talking about somebody who was a sitting vice president.
But I don't know.
It was an incumbent. Somebody who was in government. President Kufuor was the president. And was a contestant, and he couldn't win. And this time we are talking about Nanado contesting the president. Again. It is about Phyllis the value the same.
You have 2 minutes. But now is good for MPP, but not good for Ghana. Ma party chim neka we say. High technology solutions Kumasi TK. Beso bisa honorable Emma say that ben and still lights off no. On be say free ho na say the be you bit me asua de aye adwuma na ya civil life and so our hospital. Honorable, yes, me miss out our question. Please take it. Why na or say when na okwa pay election na onim say na on pese okwa win. We a Manoba John from Kandano Tike. The first time okay, say is it the first time the NPP man is hearing that Akufo-Addo wants to be president at all costs? Okay. Right, to be question will be sound or no. I love the submission of the NPP man. I think the NDC man should apologize to Dana for saying he has made up his mind that at all costs he will become president. Okay. Well, honorable. Can you say Minister of Energy say or more bomb more than megawatts be na 2 minutes. They say the Adenakwa could do 24. In fact, me lights a doom Saturday no. And so be till Sunday night. My laptop, that's how bad the situation will be. Energy ministry, so you could 300 megawatts be. Same refrain. Sadly, you bear a day. And now be power why I was here in the Intiminia and Tinama, the Abaka as well. I say you didn't pretro, assume, be assumed kakra. Just 1 minute, be a young corner.
You can know what can you. A cracker, yes, I will be told you, da yet in the da. Now, the one partner says, what kind of period as if we go meeting and say, oh, mamma, be your mamma to a man who say, at the end of the one partner say, I was say you pay 120 million, a quarter 2 loads of crude. Now, and no, any assembly ticket, no clear woman is a machine, a bayer human, a viewer. Miss and what cadiano and yenya. A buy and country Ghana for sir. Na kona omo de nam no omo jai yate abre sika omo say de ehia ne say I was here said de be ya ye benya 120 million at all 2 loads of light crude at their power thermal plants. Tike young comrade and na utie de omo ka. Engineer for ya say the issue esi su teno. Ya the dam will just cease. Ya ka chira mo say muntumum. Akosombo has been directed open another turbine. We a support dam. They say yes they no produce 100 ade beche anajo no for 200 and ka ho for 200. When they know say ade no the problem is that the water is short. Now we say no the friend of short-term benefit as against long-term interest. But me say I say on authority say ade no you 120 million and it took crude na and ka we nyina
see just 120 na
omo call PRC meeting no
honorable maybe I do no
I'm be fan with you say we dey me Doc share the same sentiment because manage what is going on and yet the papa because tembia the me can say so mine no Ghana for a pesca na ye de aboye bra tax na abanage abai tax a we gi so no obeje free sebe amanfo omkro munyuma ho ne obeje tax na samre umanya power so a enyuma bebre ni ntimenya adwuma na umanya adwuma be yes aka tax no so we have to just look at it say sikasem na we have to look at it say so the sikano na say factories ni adwuma we also get revenue from that place it makes a lot of sense say the okay and the credit then make a lot of sense then the sikano kura wobosia kura yempe na yemfanye na meso me that problem am say the way I see Ghana a national assets and a man for managing the way we manage it because we produce power not 28% of power now we generate you lose it ni na ekokwa through other theft or mismanagement. And then baby, I don't think that the pay it will be more than the 28%. So if we are able to send in us and they see we send on stream and it may account for. I don't think that the woman it's a problem. We need to and aside the private participation in generation, I think that it's high time. I will see it mean the private participation in distribution too. ECG, VR, and all those people they need to be competing. You not private. Now you compete with them. Utility there. Because let me tell you, sir. Minimum. Say me call office na light ni white. Me say some me company fee. Ah, take so make you double. Even say current tariff. Currently say tariff no so ma double no kra na ubenya reliable power supplier. A lot of people will opt for that. It is a factory, and you be near the amount at least be reliable at a very good price. So make it profit. Domestic users, be brave or meaning and next be use generator at the end of the body. Generator, no, it's a bay. You saw Kanye and who say I saw until we saw home and you bear 12 midnight. I could do and I said, yes, Monyana, I don't do my don't domino. Don't die. I don't do.
Honorable Haruna, this is sorry, 2000.
Well, I was I am West. I don't do West. The program no be Nsroma affect security, affect productivity. Ade bia ti so so bia no affect no. Ti Nsroma your safety. And now the aduane go fridge man asay you so ko bobo sia ko tofofro enti no eno ho asem no Honorable Emmanuel nyamene ye wo ho chemate eja ko da se pass e from by Honorable Vincent Opon Asamo Freedom West no ho aba that's a good one also yes enti ye page once again me amenu aba Kate Courty Papa Few marketing woman of the year Auntie Kate Obomode papa nyame inshallah ye pagya yemu se ye sorry a ye programs no yenwie ye beto ato aso saa na o kire nyame aduma ya se hye bi edam nyina ase mamu ne hwe ene tie
I'm